Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Basically, I'm just starting off by putting a wig cap or a hairnet on, just getting my hair out of my face. Then I'm just going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation and just putting it on my neck. I always start on my neck first because I'm wearing my glasses, so I can see what I'm doing. And then I just go ahead with the concealer and then blend that out with a beauty sponge. Then I'm just doing my entire face with foundation, which as you can see is running out and I'm in desperate need for new foundation. I have bought the Tarte Face Tape foundation to try it out because I have used their concealer before and I'm excited to see how the foundation goes. I have seen some reviews on it, but I thought I'd try it out for myself. Then just setting my under eyes and nose and forehead with some setting powder and a beauty sponge, and then doing the rest of my face with a brush. Then for contouring, I'm using the shade Subtle from the Thirsty palette, but as you can tell if you've seen my last video, all my palettes have been customized. So forgive me if I can't remember where the shade has come from. I think I should be alright for the most part, but if I can't remember then I'll probably put the text on the screen. But yeah, I'm just contouring my cheekbones and my forehead. I don't know why I contour this way, it's just something I kind of did accidentally, and I've just liked doing it ever since.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
And as you can see, I was starting off with that small angled brush to get the fine details, and then using a bigger angled brush to kind of blend it out. Then just going with this flat brush and some Morphe setting spray and the shade Jawbreaker from the Jawbreaker palette, and using that as my base highlight. The reason why I use the setting spray is sometimes I'll spray my face or I'll spray a little bit on the brush. It just makes the shade a little bit more pigmented. Then just setting it, and then I'm just going back in with that shade Subtle and using that in the crease of my eye as a bit of a transition shade, and also using it for my under eye as well. Then I believe this shade is Intravenous from the Blood Sugar palette. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it is. But yeah, I'm just darkening that crease color with that deep brown shade and kind of bringing everything together. Then just using my concealer to cut the crease. Then I think this shade was Wealthy from the Blue Blood palette, and I'm just setting that concealer with that eyeshadow. So I'm just going in with the shade Space Cowboy from the Alien palette and a small packed brush to kind of go in between the concealer and the browns to kind of blend them together. Then using the shade Black Rainbow to pack it into the outer corner of my eye and blend it in with Space Cowboy. And also just dragging that a little bit on my under eye as well. And then going into the Androgyny palette with the shade Dominatrix, just blending all those shades together. And of course doing my eyebrows, and as I say in every video, if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, there'll be a card in the top right hand corner and a link in the description. But for now, just sit back and enjoy the video. Then I'm just going in with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade First Class and just coating that area where I cut the crease. Then I'm going over that with the shade UFO from the Alien palette, which is a very, very pigmented bright gold color. And then I cannot remember what this shade is called for the life of me, but I was using it to highlight my brow bone a little bit. And then I'm using this very awesome shade called Millions, I think, from the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette to go over all the gold in the cut crease area to make it a bit more glittery, shiny, you know. Then going in with this e.l.f. eyeliner and just lining that crease area. Then just going in my under eye as well, then going up into a big winged eyeliner. And as you can see how I do my eyeliner, as if you see it like kind of just stops and goes straight down, it's because my eyes are kind of hooded and I have to do my eyeliner like that so it looks like it does on everyone else. Then I just thought I'd add 2 lines in my under eyes. I've been doing that a lot lately and I enjoy doing it. I like the way it looks, so I thought I'd do it with this look as well. Then going in with the Velour Liquid Lipstick shade Restraints, and then just putting that on my lips. I do end up covering with black eyeshadow because I wanted my lips to be darker. But yeah, this is what I used for the base. You can pretty much do this if you don't have black lipstick. Just get any old lipstick and cover it in black eyeshadow and then you've got some black lipstick. Then I ended up using some of that eyeliner really lightly with the contour areas to make it a bit more sharp. I did kind of screw it up a little bit, but I still liked it. At the end of the day, it's just makeup and you can just wash it off if you don't like it. Then just going in with the black poster paint, which you guys have seen me use before, and just covering my entire neck with it. And then I ended up setting the black poster paint with the Ben Nye translucent colorless powder, and seeing how that worked. I think it was the first time I'd done it, and it turned out really good. Then I went in with another layer of poster paint and set that again with the Ben Nye colorless translucent powder, and it turned out surprisingly well. I think that's how I'm going to be doing the poster paint stuff from now on instead of wasting my black eyeshadow. But yeah, it turned out really good and I liked it. So this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want to see more of this look, there'll be pictures on my Instagram. Head on over there. If you want to support me there as well as my TikTok and Patreon, all the links will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.